In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate better prompts in Grok AI Pro Tips 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. You can explore without an account, but if you want your chats, settings and experiments to sync across devices, sign into your account. It only takes a moment and makes it easier to revisit your best prompts later. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see the Grok chat interface front and center. This is where you'll craft prompts, run expert mode when needed, and iterate on answers. Think of it as your workspace for structured thinking. Now, let's set you up for better results. Great prompts start with clarity. Give Grok precise context, a clear role, and an explicit goal. For example, tell it who to be, what to produce, and why it matters. Use literal, purpose-driven language. Avoid vague phrasing or coded terms that might confuse the model or trigger moderation. If your task is complex, structure your input with short sections and simple headings. Chunking your ideas helps the model follow your intent and produce cleaner outputs. Assigning roles is powerful. Try lines like, "You are a senior data analyst," or "Act as a technical editor." This frames expertise, tone, and level of rigor from the start. Then, define the outcome. Create a 3-paragraph briefing, or draft a step-by-step action plan. Add constraints and context such as key data points, audience, voice, and length limits. The more grounded your request, the fewer revisions you'll need. For advanced tasks, activate expert mode. This invites Grok to reason through intermediate steps, which is especially useful for engineering, analytics, or multi-stage planning. When timeliness matters, ask it to leverage real-time data, like recent updates from X news sources, or fresh publications within a time frame you specify, such as the last 72 hours. If search or analysis tools are available, say so explicitly. Use your native tools to find and summarize. If you're generating images, focus on stylistic direction rather than photorealistic depictions of real people. Request illustrations, paintings, or stylized art to keep things creative and compliant. Treat visuals as iterative. Review the first result, then refine composition, color, or style. To tie it all together, use this simple workflow. Start by defining the role. State the goal and the format of the output. Add context and constraints, including data points and any length or style limits. Then iterate. Review the response, correct misunderstandings, and ask for targeted adjustments. With this approach, Grok becomes a reliable partner, fast, precise, and consistently aligned with your intent.